All right, y'all. As I mentioned, I didn't really do a talking video this week, so I thought I'd do two voiceovers for you guys. Let's do another look using the Shop My Stash this week, starting with the same primer, that Rare Beauty primer. And then just as before, I am taking a bit of the Danessa Meyer's Shimmy Skin Balm, putting it onto a palette, and then just like saturating the brush with it. Now for this look, I did try a new technique with the concealer. This is a Katie Jane Hughes technique that I watched on her TikTok and I loved. It's essentially like saturating the brush like I did with the foundation and not pulling the concealer all the way up to like the waterline and letting it be a little bit more natural. And honestly, y'all, my concealer has been staying so well. It looks so beautiful. She's right. And my mascara has not been moving as much as it usually does, which is incredible. So I'm a believer. Setting all that down with my Bobbi Brown banana powder. I do love this powder and I actually really like the yellow tint to it. Using some butter bronzer just to warm up this face. And then going in with the M Cosmetics Faded Clementine blush. They have a new packaging for this. I have an older packaging of it. Okay, setting it all down with some Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh spray. This does not taste, but it smells like plastic. So just be warned. Novel Cosmetics Skin Glazing. Look at this skin. I was impressed with myself. Then we're going in with the eyes. We're doing the So Jaded palette, and I wanted to use like blues and purples. I realized like I had a green and I had a brown look, and I was like, I want some color that's different. So I thought blues and purples. I don't usually like move to those, and I had this vision before going to sleep the other night. I've been watching a lot of dystopian TV, and this feels like a dystopian like capital-esque like makeup look. So anyway, I just decided to do it. It is again with like mostly shimmers, which is pretty atypical for me. I'm not usually like a shimmer all over the lid kind of person, but I only have one matte shade here and two shimmer shades. So I don't know, who knows, maybe I'm turning over a new leaf. Using some of that Benefit Fan Fast mascara to coat the lashes, and then again always going in with Endless Cacao. And this time I'm using the very expired, discontinued Crisis lipstick from Urban Decay. It's one of my favorites and I'm so sad it's discontinued. So here is the look, everybody. I actually really enjoyed it. It's something like, I wouldn't typically do, but I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the eyes, so yeah.